Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Jimmy. Just want to touch base with you, kind of give you guys some good news. The flip house over on Seacliff, we are now under contract. We went to the market last week, had a couple open houses this weekend, so we're excited about that. So just recapping time frame, we purchased the home on the 15th of August. Demo started on the 18th of August. We were done with the interior, everything in 31 days. Then the little tropical storm slowed us down for the outside a little bit, but we are under contract and we're going to close. So just keep in mind, you can do these things quick. I mean, that's 2 months. We're at just under 60 days. Tomorrow's 60 days from the original close. So we are working on another project in Pasadena, and then we have another pending contract over in Channelview. And we are working on my stepson's house right now, so we've got the same guys over there. The tile's been done. We've got a cabinet guy over there working now. So if you need a carpenter to do any type of cabinetry, let us know. In fact, if you need anybody to help you with anything, let us know. We can get these guys over to you. I know I've gotten a couple of calls from people that I know personally. We'll be happy to refer these guys over to you. But we'll talk more as we get to closing, or when we close, about cost, rehab, final sales price. I think the key here is, being very process oriented and having your contractors lined up, and velocity. I say that word around here a lot. Velocity is the key. I know some investors unfortunately get bogged down and they're sitting on a house 6 months or a year, and that's really not going to do you any good if you're trying to turn your money. So just want to give everybody an update. Hope you have a great Monday. Stay dry out there. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.